What continent has more hummingbird species than anywhere else? South America. It's a bird watcher's dream, with cloud forest parrots, glow-in-the-dark oil birds, and the massive Andean condor soaring the cliffs. These birds don't migrate. They're right where they belong all year long. Want to see these birds in action? Explore South America in our full video on avian feathers.